Will AI take our jobs? We have been hearing this thing from the AI companies since 2 years, but recently something surprising happened that these companies have started walking it back. I build software for living, so let me give you my honest version. It's not a disaster, it's not nothing, it's in between, and I will explain why. For last 2 years, the AI leaders like Dario from Claude has been saying the AI could eliminate 50% of the white-collar job. And Sam Altman was saying that it might mean that perhaps total job categories might be gone. But this has not happened up till now. Now recently, Sam Altman has said that he is delighted to be wrong, that the job situation is not that worse as he was thinking. Similarly, Dario also seems to now saying that the job situation will not be that worse. So what is the truth? And even at the moment, we have conflicting statements regarding this. Some people think that it will eat up all the jobs, but some people think that even the job numbers will grow. I think the truth and reality is somewhere in between. So on one side, the companies are not firing people in a massive wave. We have heard news of different big tech companies making tech people redundant, but the scale is not so large as was being told. But on the other hand, we also know that the graduate and entry-level recruitment across the world has become slower, and the companies are not hiring that much new people. So on one hand, not that much new jobs are being created if the people are not being fired, but at the same time, not that much new hirings are also taking place. As a developer, I say that AI definitely boosts your productivity. AI is not magic. It won't do work for you. For increasing productivity, you have to use it effectively. And sometimes you read also news like that even AI is costing more than a developer, or the cost of AI is more than developers. So if the amount of the work remains same and we start using AI effectively, then definitely there will be a lot of job losses. But the introduction of AI has also increased the amount of work. In my career, wherever I work, we always used to have long list of nice to have features or things which we wanted to implement, but we always worked on things like which deliver the maximum customer value. So this is always the focus of the work. But now AI enables us to deliver more value for the customers and to also provide these nice to have things. The AI has also resulted in the demand for quality that we can now deliver for the customer. So the introduction of AI has also resulted in increased amount of work. But still, if you employ AI effectively, then the productivity out the amount of work. For software development, coding is just one part of the whole thing which comes when it comes to delivering software. So the AI enables us to deliver this part in a quicker way, but everything has its bottleneck. For example, no matter how fast we can review the code, at the moment we are not at a place where we can trust AI to review the code and push it into production. There will always be, or at least at the moment, there is a need always that someone reviews that code and checks, because AI is not always coming up with the best design. So you have to modify the design, you have to architect the things, you have to fix the things. Although this whole correction process you can now do fully through AI without writing a single line of code, just by instructing the Claude Code or Codex or whatever tool you are using. But still, a person looking at the code and reviewing the code, whether it is of good quality or not, or it does not contain bugs, that is still required. Similarly, this whole process requires other stakeholders. So the introduction of AI just means that the bottleneck do not vanish. They will be just moving from a place to another place. Anyone who has done change management they knows that it is hard. The changes do not happen in a single day. Yes, we are all forced towards AI and we have no other option, but that is still a change and it will take some time to adopt. It will require the companies to enable their employees to adopt and help and support them for adopting. So this is also one of the reasons. At the moment, AI is capable of doing a lot of things, but are all the people equally equipped to do that? It will require some time, and it will require time for the companies to adopt these things. So this is also the reason why these massive layoffs have not happened yet. In AI, actually, the things are changing so fast that we cannot predict what will be things in 6 months' time or 1 year. I think we will need to review all our opinions, in 6 months, or who knows how shorter this cycle will become. I think it will take time until the companies have adopted AI fully, and all the companies, and then at all levels. And then we will really know the impact of AI on our jobs. The other thing is that I don't think that there will be fewer jobs, but there will be different jobs. This is what has happened in the history. For example, when the ATMs come, then the bank tellers turned into another role. There might be even more jobs after AI. So this means that your profession will not be tomorrow what you have today. One will need to retrain, and it will be hard, especially for people who are mid-career. Just think about the ATMs and bank tellers. The bank tellers didn't vanish, but their role changed. AI won't erase work, but it will force reskilling. I will be straight. The things are moving very fast, so I might be totally wrong in what I'm saying. I think the best strategy at the moment is to upskill yourself, to learn AI, to start using AI, start thinking how you can use AI for your job and upskilling yourself. If you just hear news, then yeah, as I said earlier, there are so much contradictions and so much exaggeration on each side that it's very difficult to find what is right and what is wrong. You can look in your profession how the people are actually using, and you can learn from your own experience. As a developer, I can say that I feel like it enables you if you use it effectively. So I think the bottom line is don't panic, but don't relax. Just prepare yourself and see where the things move. I think the people who reskill and adopt will be fine. I will be giving my honest takes on AI without the hype. Please subscribe this channel if you want more videos like this.